Is your roof really ready for next Michigan storm? At S.O.B Burch Roofing, we know Bay City weather doesn't mess around. From blistering summer sun, heavy snowfalls. Your roof takes a beating all year round. If you're seeing missing shingles, leaks, or saggy spots in your roof, it's time to act before small problems become major expenses. We offer free inspections, honest quotes, and top quality workmanship that stands the test of time. Protect what matters most, your home and your peace of mind. Call S.O.B Burch Roofing and Repairs today and let us help save your roof.